The yoga pose of the week is Peaceful Warrior 2. So start in mountain, and let's spread our legs out wide, superstar. And let's bring both our hands straight out, palms facing down, and turn your right foot out, and bend that right knee. Excellent, chest tall, looking straight over the top of the hand. Peaceful warrior. And hold, breathe. And bring it all the way up. Turn that left foot out. Brilliant. I see you. You got it. Breathe in. Breathe out. Bend that front knee. Fabulous. Hold it. Peaceful warrior. We are peaceful people. Peaceful warrior, keep the peace. And bring it back up.